Concerns tonight for a growing number of homeowners. Insurance rates are rising rapidly. So what's going on and what can you do about it? CBS 4's Joan Murray is looking into this. She is live in Lighthouse Point with what you need to know. Joan?
And Elliot, Lighthouse Point has a little over 10,000 people, a lot of different types of houses, small, medium, large. So the hikes are affecting people in different ways. Some rates are going up by a few $100s, other by several $1,000s. So we wanted to see why this is happening. The answer is complicated. There are many factors: disasters around the country, our own hurricane risk, the cost of insurance companies to reinsure, and then finally a little known factor, and that is fraud. With a background in forensic accounting, Mayor Glenn Trost helps to hold the line on property taxes in Lighthouse Point. But what he can't control for himself or his neighbors are the rapidly rising home insurance rates. He's already been told to expect another hike this year.
My windstorm policy alone is over $4,000 a year. And so 10% of that would be $400. It's not an insignificant amount. So we're replacing all these windows.
Trost says he does an annual inspection of his 53-year-old home to make sure there aren't any weak points that could lead to a claim.
And that has proven very helpful with citizens, because when they question something, I have the proof that I've maintained everything.
More than 76% of the property claims turned into lawsuits just in Florida.
Nicole Kopic is president of the Independent Insurance Agents of Broward. She says rates are skyrocketing, insurance companies are leaving Florida, and it's harder than ever to hold on to a policy.
A single-family two-story house in Deerfield.
She showed us examples of homeowners' policies increasing, like this one in Deerfield, $7,000. Her own policy is going up by nearly $1,000. The hurricane threat is a factor, but she says we are all paying for a little-known detail.
I would say the main factors are the bad actors in the industry that have abused solicitation and marketing tactics to manipulate the claims process to their benefit.
Glenn Trost does not see any relief in sight.
Until they get the insurance markets more reasonable, I think we're going to be in a cycle like this. We've been in a cycle probably since 2005 now, when Wilma came through, and it's just been accelerating.
And you saw what the mayor is doing. Insurance agents tell me that is very helpful. Take care of your property. It gives insurance companies less of a reason to drop you. We're also told that if you have a policy, even if it's going up, this is not a good time right now to shop around, because it is going to be very difficult to get a policy. And right now, things are not expected to change. In Lighthouse Point tonight, Joan Murray, CBS 4 News.